You're probably wondering, what the heck? What are you thinking, George? Showing how to cook a frozen rib. Let me tell you, when I was in high school, we used to do this all the time. We just go in the freezer, pull out a rack of ribs, whatever, chicken. We throw it on the Barbie, and then we would cook it up. It'd take a little bit longer, but it would work. So I said, well, how about if we show you guys how to do this? Stick around. This is gonna take longer than I thought. So stick around, guys. Let me handle this. Let's go outside, guys. I do have the Z grills preheating at 300 degrees. And don't season, because there's no point to it. The seasoning will just fall right off. All right, so 300 degrees. We'll come back in 1 hour and we'll take a look at it. Stick around, guys. Easy cooking. All right, guys, 40 minutes later, let's check them out. Looks pretty good. Starting to soften up there a little bit. Got a little piece of foil right there. A little bit more right there. Kind of push that down a little bit. Got a couple little pieces of foil. Not too bad. Kind of push that down a little bit. Basically what it is, guys, all we're doing is defrosting the rib in the smoker. That's what it is. That's the secret to it. I'm just checking for any extra foil if I missed any. We got a couple pieces here and there. It's a little bit wet, but let me show you guys. Let me show you guys how to season the ribs after they got defrosted, basically. A little bit of water. Just a little bit. Just to wet them up, basically. I'm not gonna worry about the skirt steak. I ain't gonna worry about the membrane. I can care less about all that. Kind of run the excess water off a little bit there. All I want to do is just wet them a little bit. Get yourself your favorite seasoning. I'm using Smoke Bomb from Uncle Steve. Just like so, guys. Oh my goodness, this smells fantastic already. We're gonna just go ahead up another little piece of foil. It's all right if I eat a piece or two. Flip that over. This side's kind of wet, but also at the same time, it's a little dry. Just knock off the excess foil that I see. To seal a few pieces. Do the same thing. Sprinkle some water on here. You can sprinkle apple juice. You can sprinkle whatever you want on here. Just got a little bit of water. Make sure that water kind of drips off. Got a little piece of foil right there. A little bit more there. All right. Time to season this side. That is it, guys. We're gonna go ahead and let me move this a little bit towards the middle. It was in here for 45 minutes. I'll come back in, let's say 1 hour. All right, guys, stick around, bring you back. 3 hours into it, guys. Ooh, looking good. Look at that color. This is what I'm talking about. I got some hot honey bee sting from PS Seasonings. I think that's pretty good right there. Or meat side down. Just got some regular water. Just put a little bit. I'll give this another 2 hours. Stick around, guys, bring you back. All right, guys, we got 4 hours into it. Let's check this out. It got dark on me. It's all good. Oh yes, look at that. That is looking fantastic. And who says you can't cook frozen ribs? Look at that nice pullback we got there. That is looking mighty fine. Let's check for tenderness. Oh yeah, they're pretty tender, guys. It's like butter. Oh heck yeah. This is what I'm talking about. All right, I'm gonna let this go probably another half hour. And that barbecue sauce should tack up really nice. Stick around, guys. Frozen ribs at its best. Stick around. These are done. What a great color. We're gonna go ahead and let that rest 15 to 20 minutes. Total hours cook time, 5 hours exactly. This looks absolutely beautiful. Look at this, guys, just gorgeous. Let's go ahead and cut right into it. Oh, cuts like butter, guys. Wow, so juicy, very nice. Oh yes. Nice smoke ring, not too bad, guys. So juicy. Look at that, gorgeous. The backside looks pretty good. Look at that smoke ring, just gorgeous. I'm not mad at that, guys. Let's go in for a quick taste test. Oh man, cheers. My goodness, it is delicious. This turned out better than I actually thought. So good, so tender. Wow. And all this is butter back here. Trim this away, eat that right there. Just a little hot. Look at that. It's a nice little Scooby snack right here, the skirt steak. Wow, incredible, guys. This turned out really well. Just going for this bite right here. All right, guys. Well, gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.